Hello everybody, and right now, we are in Rose Valley Cappadocia. We started the hike early in the morning. The reason of this, I will tell you later. If you haven't watched our previous videos, we are currently traveling with the truck, a van-lifing family from Manchester, UK.
So right now we're taking this small hike to this point that my dad and Uncle Nathan found from the truck. So we're hiking up right now in Cappadocia.
If you have watched our previous videos, you will know that there have been people living in those tiny holes in the mountains during the war. That night, we had spare fireworks. We decided to use them on the ground in Cappadocia. The next morning, we went to a different spot with a better view. We took a few pictures and went on with our journey. Earlier, I told you that I would tell you why we woke up so early. It was because we had to watch hot air balloons float into the sky. Unfortunately, they didn't. While we were awake, we decided that we should go out on a hike before the blistering heat gets on us. We have also been traveling with two traveling aunties. We have been with them for most of the time we've been with Le Truck. Thank you, Cappadocia, for a nice time and open space for a free playground. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. See you next time in Cappadocia.